Shana Suma say Cabela milk. Second Kings Real Estate. What the answer my friend was 0244645784. Feco spray starch. Look sharp. Latest foam. Your partner for life. I'm in Scientific Clinic. Allow Shafi God is the healer. Lele Rice, tasty food, happy family. Tabia Heba mixture, your true and authentic Heba medicine. And Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? One of the Swasinia. Yeah, the Empress no. Bro, him as a trying in power. Good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Happy to be able to
Adumo, now sway.
Kaka.
You could crimson. I dear change.
Okay. We are Ghanaian time, so.
Ghanaian time.
Yes, a special prosecutor today.
Oh, say, and corrupt officials beer. And I say, a corruption cases are abandoned. And soon and very soon, we are going to see them all. Soon and very soon. Yes, Papa no udu ni fie mpomachi a enwuma wo bo ano no. Udu na office gate ano a enwuma wo bo ano no. Ne kemu enwuma wo bo ano no. Wotwa ho no nko soon and very soon. We are going to see them all. Say very soon no bedri san say Yesu Kristo ba ya wo kwa wo ka kire say soon. Soon no besi sabre ya emaye. Papa prosecutor anso soon. Etieguso a ye twen. Na sam no de abakrata fan etoso edunsia. Na Office of the Special Prosecutor OSP and I was say enche bia adwuma woye no enye kokoam dwuma nemum eho ahoboaboa no ya na e was say ehye kokoam ansan ye se oba cha adwaye na oye ne ho yie enti enche bia Linda Oforikwafo e de aba abonchen so say enche wo de beba abonchen so na wo se sa wo hwa wo adwuma wo mo ye no section 3 OSP Act 2017 numu Act 959 numu a ehye wo mo say wo betimi aye adwuma na afe no ubumu nan a emu ba ku bia say bosome miensa bia adwuma wayo no na wo de aba abonten so ntinye daily basis say enem 2 9 benkum ade a cha me tu nifa ade a cha me to me nsaka ho ade a cha me hwene ano wo se da bi eye enkakrakra wo mu bubum na wo mo de aba eno eye
ya chotro edin said the be ya yebenya ECOWAS card your friend Ghana card na enona I know any. Yes. Where you different? Now the ababe tomo say Kaneshi police station. Yeah, the nipa ni be call her say omo she dan bim and na omo air registration. Now brand say your friend Ishmael baby ni Ankara. Ono your Kaikwe South constituency secretary ma the NDC. Ono na hese okoba amane e ma post for botwi e call ho no. Yeni ho but the AC no yenko team. Ishmael, good morning.
Good morning.
Net saying
Mbacho ye elsewhere.
Den nyame adom me ho ye pa.
Oh, Mbacho tema mo start say card me ye no e wo Kagwe South ati no. Na yenya information say ya na enkofu bi encourage stand enkofu bi wichi. Enti ye de yenso yenya abotre na di you need to walk akanka na ye ma ye boys ni bi. O na mo nam centers no na wo mo monitor ntenra na the boys ni bi hu say enkofu bi ewura MPBC bi mu ho o mu wura no mepie na o mo se debi e so mu wura ho e ko hwe dia e ko so ho o mu wura efie no e wo awudome nche ho a estate mu a o mu wura efie ho no na ifo no na o mo set wo machine na o mo register enkrofo ewo ho etu do ho no na mo gidi dan ntokwa na mo so mo de mo sisi machines no as evidence at the call police station ho etu mo say mo mpani etu mo ye gidi ntokwa geni mo gidi sa na e bo mo den an se sa wo machines ni na egu kai mu na drive to the Kanichi police station na ye kodi gu na ye report enti a police for no so ne kan no my team say you can go back to the house na anka wo ma wo ye sa anyoma no ye inform ina embra police station ho but you do on police for no na obia eniwo aka man bi ye fe no anti gifty o say on ni efiria ene ni baba ma bi ono de wan kasa ti odi any MPP man be on last constituency election sa we year where you know contest as vice chairman but we a friend Ebusin we also tifi on the basebe on any fee campo and you do home and be some say at the end na ekoso and na womusio enye bibia na nkofo no bedaho keke na say aye hu say o mo register nkofo a ikita forms na ya chocho edi nkofo passport go nkofo birth certificate na go a isizi na e dey police station and the say nkofo da ho ban say nkofo passport ni voter ID card e ban say ni school di ho eti ase pobenya ase papa bia an kan chesi adi ma no e na ka chomo say dey and pawi o mo bra police station o na o mbe report police station enti bi no ka say kampo mu me nam kwan so ameko police station so akotie dia police from the front back
monni police for no call ho no omunya na machines ne bi fae e wo fie ho
machines na ye ya sese ni nyina akọ station on da na me wo
ma fa machines na fie nim akọ police station
akọ police station on da anso na ye na police for na e ko ho ya sesa wo mo hand scanner machine wo mo HB computer wo mo use machines ni nyina che say full set me wo inventory any pictures the pictures in the machines in 1111 and wo mo serial numbers and ma tro mama by inventory you might go police station nya and go for passport ma passport numbers no ne birth certificate numbers na nko for din po ma fele wo mo forms no so kan po no ma tro ni na menim ba ko e fe no adu
okay
yeah feeling from man say you memu the passport that as prime requirement out there registration so
enema no police station se sia wona
enema no police station se sia me no ka say nti as a station there and pay there home to me in registration was our center use some machines no but in pay for one pay for no buy on district in pay for buy no almost say some machine no and no one use St. Teresa's or Anglican St. Teresa's sorry na e wo I would do me run about no so say some machine na one use wo enti anka frɛ nkɔfɔ na ɛwɔ hɔ no sɛ anka mo mbra na wo be human no but wo ntimi amba police station na nya nti bia na pay you metimi aba nti yen so yɛ kɔ akoti omo
na wɔn na wɔn yɛ sa registration sɛ si a wɔn make sɛ wɔn wɔ hen
eja ye hu mo enya tema you do ɛhɔ no yɛ fa police for ɛkɔ fio sɛ anka ɛkɔkye ɛnai nkɔfɔ na wɔn yɛ no ɔba baako ne bɛma baako ɛna wɔn yɛ hu wɔn a wɔn te machine de chia wɔn yɛ ɔba baako ne bɛma baako enti anka yɛ fa police for na wɔn kɔ yɛ arrest no yɛdu wɔn no wɔn ayera ebisa efie wa ne sɛ nkɔfɔ no wɔ hen wentimi enya sembaba bia anka nkyerɛ ɛna ɛma inspector no guidance ndi ɔno efie wa no ɔmbra police station ɔna ɔmbɛyɛ ne report ɔmbra na ɔmbɛkyerɛkyerɛ no so bɛkyerɛ statement de sie.
All right then. Mama now I said you be say tribute
na thank you very much Captain.
Ishmael baby ni ankran I would say nenkano apostle first watch National Identification Authority for na adwuma for na be say wo bo alata for e ma won so atwo mu den se twa be kan ho asem ye
so the be asem no be balance nti nipa obo mo kwadu group na omo wo fie ho no ye frɛ wo mo na omo police for invite omo ntumi ma na mom chemu kakra omo de ba ye ne say na efie na omo kom no oba ne fie ne ho no wama NIA registration officers no baby a omo da e wo no ne fie ho na womo ebe pack womo machines womo pon be pack womo machine na krachi ya ye friend you so ene ni nkrofo ne maame na ne fie ne ho no womo wo meeting bi a business meeting na omo ye enti NIA for be pack womo machine na omo sugusu omo ye omo meeting ene omo nse nkrofo bi digidi aba be refio se omo ye registration enti se wo hwe ensemo a krachi no a ye friend no ka minim someone me gidi say nkai was say NIA secretariat no be kire yi mo amyate ase bi ni say why na responsible say obe keep machines no after say omo pon he no omo di go and afi nso so omo ye registration no omo pon afi de omo da bere mo omo da center ho no mo anase obi akoni fie na opon a wasan aba say obi momu a wati area ho ne beka say ene mo fa machines a eti say emamegu me fie na hwan ne hweso kosi say ade bechi eti nsam no de nana bebre
yento aso
simpi na ya asem kro yi Ghana bibia ne onu mo beba betwam na nya ne ho frenchim da age secretary ye bekan ene ebetimi atwam na ne eti say yes, National Identification Authority NLA empanifo bi yese ankana wo mu register Nigeria for mienu bi amwanya Ghana card na aboso kan police say won kran he ya nyame ya dom ama ya kire wo mu Timothy Wuni o mfinhia aduonu nsia o data input officer ya oye adwuma ema NIA e wo aboso kan Central Mosque Registration Center ICG nchen ho no na ono no yese woji sister Ghana cities pe ena na anka wode ye adwuma ede amano na Alasa Abdul Samed ena Abubakar Rally ena na nka oye registration no ede ama wo mu nipa mienu ena oji sister Ghana cities ya na nka opese o register ede mo no public relations officer ma Accra Police Command no Superintendent DSP Efiatinge ese asemi ye nokre ababedu wo manim enti wo muguso a wo mu ehyehyem
Ghana mo bi a sister Ghana
30 Ghana omiye mienu
wo ton Ghana mo bi a 30 Ghana
yes. That is how cheap some people ebia na onim card no so faso anase emudro
ana so kwotrini
ana wonim sikape re kronfo wi ade kase wo Ghana hakra wohunu say yenya de sister Ghana enti arehosam a democrat idi afa ye my Ghana se de nipa bi ehunu no eno wo democrat anefa etoso edu efa etoso miensa ne yankofa etoso edu nsia no ho no mo abiu han was say 181 projects, yeah, 1D, 1F, 1 district, 1 factory. No. I feel we yes me 2019 ebekwa we no. Na ni nyina deja na da bonchen so. Minister of Trade and Industry, Mr. Alan Kwadwo Chiremanten, papa ya me adopt me ho amani. Wono ene de asemi aba betu dwa say. Nana adodanko akufo ado ayo se ade yo. Ena wo pe obi ede na dwuma sorry, 1 district 1 factory ayon so ode se bekwen Alan Kwadwo Chiremanten no ne din fata no wa kono ode se ne nsa enti o se ade ayo ne bekwen na aka bomu a na se kwan bia so 2020 mu de na se Ghana enwuma no abu bebre wo se adwuma no ekoso na we nya se ye de ahohare ba ye politics nti na kikirikirikira de be chena from na adwiregu wo se omuguso a wo mo ye ho adwuma nkakrakrakra wo be wie na chese so emfa so no ayedo so papa enra radio station to radio station na TV station to TV station na wonam ebo na mane na fekeke eno na the Ghanaian Times e dia mai wo hey na Kwadwo Ntumi kan Chronicle Democrat enum eno was say Diamond Politics Rocks Akwatia e say yes Akwatia se ohwe se de amafo ho ani abre titwi ni mabunu nso wo mo pa adwuma yo yetiska so yete denchamo so na ye ba betena se am ye de aso ye mansi ahodo nko aso na se denchamo no reflect wo ye botom ani mfoni no enkyere wo ye botom a ye nte ase enti yese emabunu a ewo Akwatia ye denchamo mansi no ni kropon ewo Mantamu say wo mo say wo mo hwe se Great Consolidated Diamonds Ghana Limited ebi se wo mo nya adwuma ebi so ate agina fa wo mo ni wo mo eko ebi pese wo mo tu ni galamse ebi so pese adwuma ko ndo abehwe so Samuel Debra chairman Emma Concerned Youth of Akwatia and no friends am trofo nhia mu enti wo mo so de wo mo de aba bebom ha na plastic manufacturers e de ato Ghana ban anim say ye kan na rubber na ebo mayi na rubber na ye beba me and omo so omo nye bibia o Ghana Plastic Manufacturers Association GPMA omo se Ghana ban enhyehyeye a eda wo omo ne omo ntem esenka bola aye rubber ebegu krom ombesesa no yaje wo mo esoto sika bi wo ho no a wo mutua wo mo atua sika no atua sika no aban empa bedwa bi a wo mo no mbehwe so na wo mo de asesa rubber no aban twetwe ne nase wo ne nase twetwede de all kan say na rubber ye nyusu bi no say rubber ne ye nyusu a Ghana omo adwuma yo so fa rubber ho no wo mo beba betena fi wo nya adwuma yo na nka aban epa wone a wo mo be check say ombesesa rubber no na kwan e be fa so adane rubber nani no kra ye yi a anka eno no ebeboa.
Officially, Kwame University of Science and Technology reacted to Otumfuo statue and said, almost say we did not erect ugly Otumfuo statue.
Almost say ugly. Oh. Almost you so ugly.
May come from Adom online.
Oh, but that is too bad.
We did not erect ugly Otumfuo statue. So the Kwame University of Science and Technology has debunked claims that the ugly statue built in honor of Otumfuo to the second at the KJT Lorry Station was a project undertaken by the university's Department of Painting and Sculpture. The rebuttal from the university follows media reports that KNUST was responsible for the design. In a statement issued by the university's public relations office, 2 issues in relation to the construction of the statue were addressed there.
And you're not so no. And you're not
next week, that's a mumbu ya ebekwa kubu.
Oh, mamumbu.
Debi yebebu.
And one is say yebe timi akova ho. Ne yi etwe na yaye de.
Wo mo ye no mde besi ho nto munyi nkonkwa ye mra.
Oh, mamu fa bufu fa.
Debi, wo de ya mo. Debi ya mo 14 days. O munyi mfiri ho.
Ye ntimi mu bu statue ese ye opem so.
Debi nyono a.
O munyi.
Debi nyono a. Say opem so de anko biye no obetimi de dado akora kwa wo ho. But enyo opem so a.
Yes.
14 days o manye ebebu. Omo fan say da, o manye ebebu.
Yes.
Afedo obi say ade ne want wo gina kire a depending on say they were nitie na hu say ade ne se no. Ebi mse wo gina ni nchemu a na wo achichiri abehu se no. Na de ne pese ye gina kire ne hu se no.
Nana ebi so say na wato ni ti so ehwe wiem ti just how the drone. I just how the drone twa firi wiem.
O mo nya ebebu.
Yeah, some Ghana. Me say, Kaneshi Zongo Junction. Quite near Flamingo no. Artist be honum. Wa draw a jacko. Na jacko a pantai pa. Good anymore.
Wa draw na si hon.
Wa draw. Una papa ko fonso ayono. As we near budget. I have flats. I'm say na nkontie jacko a pantai no. No fa kakra no papa ko fo. Hey gala never be who are o de te where you so but we dear o mutu train no kokoye foforo ba we did say no an no case die na asem nature nana break akra wo mu a daily graphic ensusu enie en wo say mabunu a e wo Ghana ha de ya kan na no na meka asem se meko ayiase aprobo ekohu se de mabunu nkwadan ketewa wo mo de nsa ene enubone ayo ayie ene adoring e wokuro mu ha na wo se emabunu mako nsia ya wo mo enum yi ene wo mo headmaster Mr George Somuwa Bosompem ya wo no wo St Joseph Hospital wakoko wo St Joseph Hospital Kofodua yesi papa kokodu ho enkwadai na wi etuatua wo mo anu se ya yesi headmaster wo Salvation Army Basic School wo asiakwa sa asiakwa na yesi ho na Yesu ni Judas nyina afi asiakwa nkwada ka mbehwe mo papa mo wofa Yesu so asua no yesi asua ka nkwada na wi bobọ ma no teacher ni no hu ye ne yamhye no eno wo se he mumfiri ankwa mekoka kire ma wofo teacher ni dan na chi se wo kwa na nkwada ni di nkontima abobo cheche ni no akuno awehosem
so someone afi ne Francis Pamdat, the head of communications by National Identification Authority. Francis, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
What do you have to say? Yes, we are here pa yenya information say mo machines ni bia kodi Kaneshi police station where you aware
me who information we social media to and me nya full details of
the case here.
And Safina Okohana.
And the facts and some aka details. But I met me account on say no question officials year registration and Najo will be see yeah and we boom because Jumana I am mass registration. Yes, that's 8 upon 5. Under no circumstance will authority no sanction any kind of registration any center, but it will be see. There's no way. Obia officer Bia Obe yet Sir Adiano, and I say Obia Obe conducted activity no, illegally and criminal.
Pacho, my equipment no say mo pon registration 5 now. Mo de kwahin.
The pon registration now. Officers no Ebuabua no the two baby are safe. I was center hoa. And he said, who said center no any safer. Omo they call the nearest police station. Ekiti overnight, no Omakofa. And the only arrangements are ever.
Okay. And she said be any registration no say your pon and fire equipment no go obi fie.
Debbie that say who's that registration center no? A bit schools, a bit churches, there's always some safe place to keep items. Now, say what the equipment that will go with you. Now, all your registration or what they are, it's totally unacceptable.
Okay, it is I am fan say more officers maybe after registration. One fan go police station, one fan see registration center ho. No the ko see obi fia. Wetiamra. Now ni captain. Emana yedi ejuma no. First law na ye kwa mendi and ne say na registration officer no. Ono pe na emana man to me say or your registration na only akono enye eligible or challenging no. But get say obia involved in no. That provision no ya mendi ama a man ama quite say community no. Bibi ento su yimano and that's who say obi ever register. Na sa only akono onye eligible and was say to me a challenging no. Na sa challenge no go through a certain formal process. Ninya ya shene say adia ye a public interest purpose into na ye national security no. Every Ghanaian has a stake in ya no. And we encourage people who say bibi koso into su they have every right to raise objections or to complain. Na ni koso no make sure say the officer bako Monday na obeso buana aho a register. Chief registration officer no. And no police obey no. Because no the oyen obumra. Enti ye ena info na nkasa no. Ye person ya no. Ye di no kre na di emra eye. Sanso na community no amount for our community no. Ye person mo so omo ye vigilant. No mo bo exercise no. Na bibia nya kroje. Enti ni akoso yi de se sa na ba ne dia police for an omu issue na mo prosecute because they are totally unlawful. Mami now as Francis.
You
Francis Pamdati, head of communications, National Identification Authority. The Biami Kao say unya president or ye corrupt. So no one kasa personally. Wafagana sika wafagana japade. Me Fourth Republic in aminim. But when we did it, you know, it Mr. Saboso. Na yasem. When we did it, no. And ye. O manya ye timu. E wom say politicians ni be corrupt, they be ye ka. But when him o mine say yankasa na de ye timu na ye say no. I think I got ton Ghana, I say my ton Ghana, 30 Ghana. Ema ya chewo. Me oko tabo. Wo da fa ba so tama so. Mo bet mo dui ne. Ene mbete dui pa dui na mete mo dui ne. Ate. Greenfield Scientific Herbal, Franco Trading Enterprise, Vitamilk, any Adom online, one of them so asenia, yade Faba also, Ebrewo and pay. Oh, you, Branamin Kangum, nothing in common why.
106.3 top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.